Hi, I'm Katie Freegon, a Group Program Manager in the Windows User Experience team. In Windows 8, we want to make sure all of our users have a really personal experience that's simple to set up and easy to use across all of their Windows 8 PCs. We can do this because we're powered by Windows Live. In Windows 8, you'll have the option to sign into your PC using your Windows Live ID instead of just a regular local account. This gives us the ability to take all the settings that you use to personalize your PC, both with Windows and your Metro style applications, associate them to your Live ID in the cloud, and then make them available later to you to sync to any Windows 8 PC you use with the same Live ID. Let me show you. So one of the first things I always do when I'm setting up my machine is change the lock screen picture to something personal. So here I've changed it to be a picture of my kids, Tom and Audrey. So as I come on in to the computer, you'll notice it's really personal to me. My start screen has my name, Katie Freegon, and my profile picture just already there. And then as I go around, you'll notice different things that are personal to me. So I've added some pinned sites from IE on my start screen. And if I go into IE, I could just log right into Hotmail. I didn't need to do anything in order to do that. And if I start a new tab, it's got all my frequent sites and my pinned sites, so same ones that you saw on the start screen. And as I go around and customize my PC, there's lots of different things that I change. One of the things I like to do is turn off the sounds on the keyboard. So it's one of the first things I usually do when I'm setting up my PC and I have to remember to go and do later. The other thing I tend to do is when I'm in desktop, I switch my taskbar to be on the right side of the screen instead of the bottom. And so later on, that's going to be remembered. That's going to be really helpful for me. The other great thing about Metro style applications is I can use them, and like I was watching the keynote with Stephen here, and I'm kind of halfway through, but I want to come back to this later. I'll be able to do that on my second PC or any other PC, just pick up right where I left off. Similarly, like an app like the Newsreader, I can add a couple of feeds here. Those are going to be available to me later when I access that Newsreader. So right now I can just kind of browse around them, and when I come back to it, they'll be there for me. So let's go over to my second PC that I just got, and I'll show you how this works. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set up my second PC. So here I'm finishing setup. I'm going to type in my live address, and then it's going to ask